guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an update for you on my Threads monthly box. For those of you that have watched the video, you will know that my shirt was a little kind of the applique on that shirt wasn't all the way like sewed on. So I emailed the curator of Threads Monthly, and she made it up to me by sending me something in the mail. So I wanted to come on real quick and just let you know what she had done, and she had made it up to me and sent me something. So for those of you that don't know about Threads Monthly, well, I'm going to tell you about Threads Monthly. It is you stay up to date with the latest fashions. It's $12 a month, and I think there's different boxes for some reason. It is not showing me. But anyway, I will link the Threads Monthly video up there in the iCards, and at the end of the video, if you want to go check out that video and see exactly what I'm talking about. So we're going to get into this so that I can show you what she sent to me. And she said that she would credit me back, or she could send me something of equal value or more from what I'm understanding. So this is what she has sent me, and it looks to be jewelry, as a matter of fact. So we're going to open this up and see what we have in here. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. So it looks like a necklace. Oh, I'm losing it here. Let's see what we have in here. Now I, for one, just love this little box. Oh my goodness gracious. Whoa. My goodness. This is a very, very long necklace. So that, okay, so there we go. Sterling silver. Let's see what this little tag says. It is very heavy. Very heavy. So there are plastic things on the bottom here, so we're gonna try and slip them off. Maybe not so much slipping them off. I'm going to try and get them loose so we can see what is going on. I'm thinking that this is tassels. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was right. They are tassels. This necklace is amazing. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at those tassels. Okay, so here is the necklace. Wow. Try and separate them a little bit. That is the necklace. So I'm gonna slip this on and see what we have here. Yeah. There we go. There we go. It is longer than that, but let me see if I can stand up and show you. There is the necklace, and it has 3 separate tassels. Isn't that something? This is very, very heavy. Very heavy necklace. That is very pretty. Very cute. I quite like this. Let's see if I can pull it up. There we go. And then point it down a little bit. And let's see here. And like I said, it has 3 separate tassels. Isn't that something? That is a crazy necklace. Wow. It is very heavy though. Very, very heavy. So that is the necklace that she sent me to, I guess, make up for the messed up shirt. So I like it. What do you guys think of my new necklace? Think it's a bit much? Do you think that it's cute? Would you wear it? Or would you say, no? I don't know. I mean, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I mean, but this part is so super heavy. And look at the sparkles in this. That is some sparkly jewelry. I like it. I think it's unique. It's different. I've never seen anybody with a necklace like this ever. I think it's kind of cute. So, okay, well that's my threads up update. So, what did you guys think of this? And I said threads up. Good Lord, it is threads monthly. Anyway, what did you guys think of this? Do you think that she did all right by me? I like it. I think it's kind of cute. Very cute. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day because I think it's quite beautiful. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. I just wanted to update you really fast. So if you have not seen the threads monthly video, like I said, I will put it up there in the iCards, and I will also put it somewhere in the end of the video, if that makes sense. Okay, guys, that's it. I will see you in my next video real soon. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, which is right over there, and I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye, y'all. OMG, I just went to take the tag off of this necklace, and I wanted to show you. Can you see that? It says $85 value compared to $100. This is an $85 value necklace. I think she went above and beyond. I love it, and now I'm gonna take the tag off and put it back on because I think it's so cute. All right, guys, now really this is it. I will see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye, y'all.